Usap tayo. Super Kwentuhan with Mark and Susan.
Number 1.
Alam mo ba hindi pare-pareho ang lahat ng generics na gamot? Gumagawa ang Rhea Generics ng mga world-class na produkto na ginawa sa parehong pasilidad ng mga brands na alam mo. Ibig sabihin ay nagbibigay sila ng parehong bisa at kalidad sa abot kayang halaga. Ang Rhea Generics ay gawa ng Pfizer, Viatris, Sanofi, GSK, Otsuka, Merck, Fresenius Kabi, AstraZeneca, OEP, Lundbeck at Boehringer Ingelheim. Punta na sa Mercury Drug at piliin ang Rhea Generics. Ito ang Medifacts para sa Rhea Generics.
Good pick, Donnie.
As an actor, harsh lights, debris, and intense scenes can harm our eyes. Dad, kaya naman we visit EO Executive Optical for expert eye care and state-of-the-art facilities. So if you love your eyes, visit EO Executive Optical.
For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical with over 300 stores nationwide. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Hi, I'm Lynn Cruz, a businesswoman and happy wife of Tirsa Cruz III. Raising my kids with the aim to Christian teachings is my joy. I got to know MX3 through my mom. Ni-research ko talagang mabuti ito. Since then, I always make sure I have it in my bag. Taking MX3 capsules with my healthy diet and workout, I'm able to cope well with life's challenges. With God by my side and MX3 in my life, I am prepared to face whatever the future brings.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Mag-MX3 araw-araw para MXtraordinary.
Be Extraordinary with MX3.
Ang galing! Pang matagalan.
Parang tayo lang, Han, no?
Everest Appliances.
Babe, ano ever best decision mo in life?
Siyempre, building a home with you.
Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Ever best from Everest.
Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving from Everest Appliances.
Choose a water that helps give the right hydration and the right minerals with proper diet and exercise. Choose the drinking water of choice by top Filipino athletes, Heidelin, Egypt, and Filipinas. Choose to be greater with Summit Natural Drinking Water. Thirst for more.
Summit Natural Drinking Water. Thirst for more.
Ramdam nyo ba ang papalit-palit na timplada ng panahon? Sa umaga, napakainit. As pagdating po ng gabi hanggang madaling araw, malamig naman. Andyan na po ang amihan. Delikado pag gaganyan. Yan ang gustong-gustong timplada ng panahon ng virus. Bantayan ang ating katawan, mag-ingat. Pag may nararamdaman, kailangan pakinggan ng katawan at huwag po itong babaliwalain. Unahan natin ang sakit, magpakonsulta sa doktor. Makinig po sa katawan, makinig po sa doktor kapag may gamot na inireseta po sa inyo, sundin at inumin. Tandaan, para sa dekalidad, abot kayang gamot. Huwag po kayo mahiyang magtanong, hanapin po ang check po ng RightMed. Para sa listahan ng mga RightMed products, bisitahin ang kanilang Facebook page o website, www.rightmed.com.ph. Huwag din pong kakalimutan, if symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Drew, Primo, breakfast!
Big day today, Mama.
Then you need a bigatin sandwich. Ladies' Choice Chicken Spread, made with real chicken and farm-fresh eggs. Meaty busog?
Sarap!
Ready na?
Busog pa!
Starts at 12 pesos SRP.
Number 1.
Usap tayo. Super Kwentuhan with Mark and Susan.